This is my bike.
Alright, this is Gabe Wimmer. Yeah, that's me. This is my channel. But Hyper BMXer 27. So I have a bike check on it because this channel's messed up right now. So here we go. There's Hyper BMXer, or aka Will. He'll be in some edits with me.
Starting in the front. I got Vans Colt boots. Pretty comfortable.
Stretched out a little bit.
Like my shoe, well, I'm not wearing my Vans, but then I got stock bars,
Hyper.
and a mongoose head.
Everything's been painted, by the way, by me. But they're crappy, so. A mongoose still.
Yeah.
Let's see, say.
Then I got some like mongoose stock forks. Look like directors because they're not welded on. And I got Colt D Hart tires, white wall, cool. And we got some stock peg. Then I got
POS.
yeah. Then I got a Hyper frame.
It's actually pretty good for Walmart.
Yeah.
It's light.
Yeah. We modified it.
Yeah, we've modified it.
We got stock crates, whatever. Some
Well good.
logo.
Pedals I gave you. Off my stolen.
Then we got stock chain wheel.
Stock
Chain.
KMC's chain.
Yeah. Then stock rim in the bag.
Colt D Hart tire.
Yeah.
It's actually a cassette and it's from Walmart. Sealed bearing. What else? Seat.
The seat. I don't know.
Piece of crap.
Yeah.
Tore. It's just a stock piece of crap seat. You can see it's not even like a pivotal or anything. But hey, it works. It's actually comfortable.
Yeah.
We got some chrome. What else? American bottom bracket. For now. We're gonna change it. We're gonna get the adapter. And his and mine. We're gonna put sealed bearings in it. You see, it's American. Whatever. But
Well, I'm hopefully make some edits with it.
got some stickers.
Yeah.
We're gonna do some edits this summer.
Because
What we have left of the summer. We have a short summer.
our school system's crap.
Alright, comment, rate, subscribe. And subscribe to Hyper BMXer 27
If we have any videos up.
if we have any videos. We'll have some videos eventually. His iPod's just being stupid. Alright. Is it? Well, yeah, what type of helmet do you ride too? A mongoose? That's what you painted? Alright.